Hey everyone, welcome back to Tap Tech, your go-to channel for the most advanced wearables and smart tech reviews. I've got something truly exciting for you today. Whether you're navigating choppy seas, exploring hidden coves, or simply pushing your limits on land, stick with me, because by the time we're done you'll know if the new Quatix 8 from Garmin is the ultimate game-changer for adventurers, athletes, and high-end tech lovers alike. Imagine wearing a watch that feels at home in a boardroom, a marina, or even a scuba dive and still handles every feature you'd dream of. The Garmin Quatix 8 has officially landed, and it's stacked with premium tech, marine-grade tools, and sleek design that demands attention. If you're in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, or any market where premium gear matters, this one's for you. Let's dive into what makes this watch special and why it might just be the only smartwatch you'll ever need. Right from the moment you lift it out of the box, the Quatix 8 already feels elite. Available in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm, it features a bright 1.4-inch AMOLED display, titanium bezel, scratch-resistant sapphire lens and build quality that means business. This is not a sporty watch masquerading as premium, this is premium. The rugged design is paired with a water rating that means you're covered on land and underwater. It supports dive depths up to 40 meters, and is rated to 10 atm, equivalent to 100 meters water pressure. So if you surf, sail, dive or simply wash your hands in the rain, it's built to take it. Now for the heavy hitters, the marine-specific tools. Because this is the Quatix line, it's not just any smartwatch, it's built for life on the water. You get features like anchor drag alerts, virtual starting lines for sail racing, boat data streaming, speed, depth, water temp, from compatible Garmin marine gear. If you're a serious mariner, this is a major upgrade. One of the standout additions in this release, built-in speaker and microphone. That means voice control of your chart plotter or compatible boat system, taking calls from your wrist, even calling on your phone's assistant, all via the watch. That's not just smart, it's practically central command for your wrist. Battery life? Absolutely solid. On the smaller size, 47mm, you're looking at about 16 days in typical use. On the larger 51mm model, the spec is up to 29 days. So you're not charging every night. For premium users in the US, UK, Australia, this matters. Health and fitness tracking? Of course. It inherits the high-end sensors from Garmin's ProGrade lines, multi-band GNSS, heart rate, SpO2, body battery, advanced wellness metrics, plus full navigation tools, topo maps, marine map overlays. With an AMOLED screen you get crisp visuals too. For premium users, that means no compromise. Moving into navigation and durability, this watch has more than good specs. The buttons are now leak-proof metal, there's a sensor guard protecting critical points, and the entire watch meets US military standards for thermal and shock resistance. The finishing touches tell you this isn't just flashy, but built to survive real adventure. So here's a question, is this watch worth the upgrade if you already own a Quatix 7 or a high-end Garmin Phoenix? The answer depends on how much you'll use the marine features and premium build. If you spend time on the water, remote control of your boat system from your wrist, streaming boat data, anchoring alerts and built-in mic/speaker, all of these become huge value. If you're purely land-based, you may still be getting one of the most advanced Garmin smartwatches, but some of the marine extras might go unused. Now let's talk design, style, and wearability. The titanium bezel and sapphire lens not only look premium, they feel premium. The AMOLED screen means deep blacks, vibrant colors, and a modern smartwatch feel, while retaining the ruggedness you expect in an outdoor watch. The 47mm size gives a more wearable option for everyday life, while 51mm is bold, prominent, and optimized for those who want bigger display and longer battery. The look is refined but tough, worn as comfortably on a yacht deck as it is hiking a summit. The premium markets know design matters, and Garmin nailed it here. When it comes to smart functions, the built-in speaker and mic unlocks real convenience. Want to make a call from your wrist? Check. Want to issue a voice command to your compatible chart plotter while out at sea? Check. Want to ask your phone's assistant while you're mid-sail? Check. These extras elevate the experience beyond just tracking fitness, they integrate seamlessly into life at sea or on land. For users in the US, Canada, UK, Australia and other premium markets where voice and connectivity are expected, they deliver. Let's highlight a few wow features. The LED flashlight built into the watch. Handy when you're prepping gear at dawn or heading to the cabin after dark. The ambient light sensor that keeps the screen readable in harsh sunlight, perfect for bright decks or open water. Full marine profiles, boating, sailing, sail racing, with regatta timers, tack assist, virtual starting lines. Serious sailors, take note. Pricing is premium, naturally. For users in advanced markets, this isn't a budget watch. You're getting top tier. The question is, does the premium hardware, marine integration, and durability justify the cost? For those who demand it, absolutely. Here's something to think about. When you invest in a watch like the Quatix 8, you're not just buying a timekeeper, you're buying a tool. A wearable command center that connects your sport, your leisure, your health, and your lifestyle. If you live for precision, durability, and functionality, this hits a rare sweet spot. Now, what are the trade-offs? If you're never going to use the marine features, anchor alerts, boat data streaming, autopilot control from the wrist, then you're getting some features you may not need. Also, premium means higher cost. And yes, even with 16 to 29-day battery life, if you're blasting GPS, music, charts and marine streaming, you'll still recharge more often than the Spec Max. But those are manageable trade-offs. Now we're approaching the end of this deep dive, but before we wrap, let's ask the big question, should you buy it? If you're a boater, sailor, diver or adventure seeker who wants the best of Garmin on your wrist, yes. The Quatix 8 is probably the most capable marine smartwatch ever made. If you're more land-based but want one of the most complete rugged smartwatches available, with fitness, navigation, health and smart features, it's still a top contender. If you're budget-conscious or only need basic watch features, there are less expensive options, but you'll be skipping some of the magic here. Alright, here comes your next step. Check availability in your region. They ship globally, but premium markets often get first access. Compare the 47mm and 51mm options, consider how much you'll use the marine features, and factor how this watch fits into your lifestyle and tech ecosystem. If you partner it with compatible marine gear from Garmin, you unlock a full suite. If not, still brilliant, but decide if the price matches your usage. Thank you so much for watching this review on the Garmin Quatix 8 here on TapTech. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dives into premium wearables. Let us know in the comments what you'll use most on this watch, marine tools, fitness tracking, smart features. We want to hear your thoughts. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay sharp, stay connected, and stay adventurous. This is TapTech signing off.